Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. Today we're making a cheesy cauliflower casserole. It's a great side dish, goes well with anything. Stay tuned. Today's recipe is cheesy cauliflower casserole. If you're looking for a cauliflower recipe that even picky eaters will love, this one's for you. For the first step, let's get our cauliflower ready. Break down your cauliflower into bite-sized florets. If we have a large head of cauliflower, we'll only use one, but if we have medium or small heads, we'll use two. Now we'll boil them in salted water for about 5 to 7 minutes. You want them tender, but not mushy. Once they're ready, drain them well. Next step is to build that creamy, cheesy sauce. We've added a half a cup of sour cream and a half a cup of milk to our pot. Now we'll add 3/4 of a bag of shredded cheddar cheese. Then we'll add 8 ounces or 1 block of Philadelphia cream cheese. Now we'll toss in half of a red onion. Now we'll start to mix that all together. To season our sauce, we'll add ground black pepper, about a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Mix it all together until smooth and creamy. This is what makes the casserole rich and comforting. I put it over a warm burner to help melt the cream cheese. Let me know in the comments if you plan to make this dish for your family. This is how you want your sauce to look. Now we'll add in the cauliflower. You want to gently fold in your cooked cauliflower florets. Be careful not to mash them too much. Make sure every piece gets coated in that cheesy goodness. Transfer everything into a greased baking dish. Next, add the remaining cheddar cheese, then sprinkle with the panko breadcrumbs, then finally top with the shredded parmesan cheese. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes until the top is starting to brown and everything is bubbling. Would you look at that? Golden, cheesy, and ready to serve. Hey, help out the channel by liking the video, dropping a comment, and sharing with your friends. This cheesy cauliflower casserole makes the perfect side dish for holidays, family dinners, or just when you're craving something hearty and comforting. Creamy cauliflower, melted cheese, crunchy topping, it's everything you love in a casserole. Take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We served this with a filet, and let me tell you, this was an amazing meal. There you have it, cheesy cauliflower casserole. Thanks for watching.